All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Miles done. We are currently at 121.9, about 122 miles. Brother. Oh my God, get off the road. What are you doing? I want to do a hit so bad, but I can't. So bad. We're pulling up incredibly late to this spot, but at the same time it doesn't really matter because the most important thing is we're getting the braking miles done. I'm ready to do some hits in this car so bad, man. I'm getting used to the Vengeance Stage 2 clutch. Honestly, it feels great. It really does. I'm starting to enjoy the heavier clutch in this car. At first, it was impossible. Now, I'm really liking it. Hopefully, you guys can hear me from my window up. I saw some people ask, when you do a new clutch in a Shelby GT350, is there like more vibration throughout the car? And honestly, I'm not really noticing anything. I'm still getting used to the damn takeoff with this clutch though. It's different, way different. But go through the gears, it's fine. That's like the higher the RPM, the smoother it is. Oh my God, I cannot wait to feel this car at 8,300, man. A bunch of cars like leaving, which is a good thing. That means either two things: nobody showed up or everybody already left. See a Boss 302. Uh-oh. Already down. Yup. There's some cars here, shit. There's a McLaren right here. And some GTRs. revolving Ford GT. Holy shit. Whoever has this car parked right there, man, you're brave, because that is in one sketchy spot. I'll tell you that right now. I'll just park right here, see what's going on. Why not? Just to walk it real quick. So unbelievably dirty too. That Ford GT is crazy though. We gotta take a look at that real quick. It's like GTR day. Bro, good. How are you? Right. Yes, sir. I just got here, bro. Damn, that's pretty sick. Damn. Glaring. That thing's pretty sick. Giddy up plate. Got the C6 on a tire. I need me a C6, no cap. Ooh, it's got nitrous too. And this is probably fun. Automatic, see, it probably rolls out pretty decent. It's got a stall. Bet you that thing's pretty nasty. Even though I got here late. Look at the big bodies. Jesus. There's actually some pretty good stuff here. I wonder what was here before I got here, honestly. This shit probably was lit, honestly. It smells new in here too. You even left the keys in the ignition. Got a Porsche. Space Edition. Space X Edition. I don't know if y'all can see that. Space X Edition. Got my car parked up over here. Because there is no way I was going to embarrass myself trying to reverse park. Got a couple Mustangs over here. Let's see what we got. Got a Gen 2. Ooh, it's got a wrap on it as well. Got a Gen 1. It's a clean Gen 1 too. We got a Beamer. Oh! You got a GTR parked over here too. Ooh. Got a Boost Logic plate. Yeah, what wheels are these? Stars. Looks pretty good. All right, let's head out of here. Whew. decent cars there, I'm not gonna lie. Must be building up some new developments. A lot of them too. Whew. It is literally October and it's damn near 100 degrees still. Oh, there's traffic. Let me just go ahead and weave in and out. Oh yeah, I'm getting better at the downshifting with this clutch.
One eternity later.
All right, it's a few hours later and I'm gonna try to get the braking miles done on the new clutch by the end of next week, so we can finally get some hard pulls in and actually get some runs in with the car on the new setup to see how it actually feels. If you guys enjoyed a little chill video, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. Stay safe out there, y'all, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.